Hey guys, hey guys, we're here celebrating what are we doing? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the first Embroidery Hub episode of 2019, and we're really excited for you guys to join us if you're new here. No, let's not say that. Let's say that after. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Embroidery Hub. This is our first episode of 2019, and if you saw our last episode, you know that I was at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to show you how you can take these blanks that we got for $1 and sell them for 10 times the price. So these are a few of the blanks that we picked up the last time I was at the Dollar Tree. I got this little oven mitt for $1, and I got 2 of these pot holders for $1. So they were 50 cents each essentially. And then I got this little green shower pet friend, I don't know, with a little matching microfiber towel. So you can make some bundles out of these, and they were each just $1. So this episode, I'm not gonna go into this one, but I am gonna show you how you can make a cute little bundle with these. Okay, so when I bought these, I assumed that they could retail for about $10 with embroidery on them. I think that's a pretty good deal for something like this. And then you can go ahead and bundle them to kind of give them that bundle price that gives it a little bit more value to your customers, and therefore they're going to be willing to pay a little bit more. So let's see, let's place some guesses on this. What would you retail this for? I guess it depends on the stitch count, of course, but you know, with a regular standard design of like under 10,000 stitches, and I mean, even if it's a monogram, it'll be way less than 10,000 stitches. I would imagine it would take about 10 minutes to create. So I would say it could probably cost about $10. That's my thing. What do you guys think? So for the actual embroidery, the materials I'm going to be using are very simple. You can use any piece of backing. You can really use a tearaway on this. This is a cutaway because I don't have a tearaway on hand right now, but you can actually use a tearaway on this because you're not going to be washing this that much. Some people do. I don't know. So for something flat like this, you can also use a regular hoop. It would not be an issue. But for something like this, you definitely want to use either like an 8-in-1 or clamps so that you can be able to hoop it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and embroider a design that I bought online with this. I did not digitize this on my own, so there was no time spent. All I had to do was spend $4, and I have like a really cute design that I can use in this pot holder. And keep in mind, with designs like this that aren't made custom, you can use them over and over again for hundreds of garments and sell them still for the same amount of money. Okay, so I'm just going to place the backing right behind it. You can use temporary adhesive spray if you want to get it flat, but you really don't need it for this instance. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it in. As you can see, it's very easy. Once I have that like centered, then I'm gonna go ahead and just clamp it. And boom, you're done. Now I'm just making sure that the backing covered all areas of the hoop on the bottom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and trace it, and what I really love about these pot holders is that I don't have to make any center marks. I can actually just use the quilt because it's quilted, so I can use a little stitch in the middle to guide me as to where my center is. All right, so I have hooped it and centered it, and I think that took me less than 2 minutes to do. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and press start. All right, so the design is complete, and it actually took me 13 minutes to do. I estimated 10, so that's pretty close. And it did take a little bit longer because we had some color changes. So if you were to do one color, it would take a little bit less time. And now really all I have to do is cut off my backing, and it's basically ready to go. All right, so this is cutaway, but for something like this, you're gonna wanna use tearaway so that you can tear it right off. It's faster to remove, and also it doesn't show, the backing won't show on the other side. So just, this is an example, but use your tearaway. All right, so just a quick recap. The embroidery took about 13 minutes, and then just hooping it and cutting the backing after took about another, I'll say 2 minutes. So let's round to 15 total to create and finish the garment. So with that timing in mind, I know that I can probably charge $10 to $15 for something like this. So now let's go ahead and see what other people are charging for something like this to see if we're kind of around the same range that I'm thinking. All right, so I'm on Etsy. I'm just gonna type in embroidered oven mitt and see what I get. Oh, this is a good one. I think this is exactly what I found from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure this, yeah, it has to be that. It looks exactly the same. Oh yeah, absolutely. If you look at the stitching, that's absolutely from the Dollar Tree. Well, this is going for $35. So, and again, this design was definitely not 8,000 stitches. I would say probably 4,000, if that, like by looking at it. So think half the time, really. Okay, so something to keep in mind here though is that this is a personalized design. So you do have to account for that digitizing cost, which can be anywhere between $5 to $10. For something so simple like this, you can probably find this for $5 for sure. And of course, if you already have digitizing software, you can simply digitize this yourself because it's very easy to do. It's just lettering. So this right here is a great example of what I was trying to explain earlier. This person just went to the Dollar Tree, found 3 blanks for $2.50, because keep in mind that these little pot holders come in packs of 2. So it's actually just 50 cents for this pot holder. And she was able to take that $2.50 and turn it into $35. And again, for the lettering, she probably just digitized it herself, and that's very quick and easy to digitize with any software. So that's how you take a $1 blank and 10x it. All right, so there you have it. Look how easy it is to just go to the dollar store and sell your items for 10 times or more. Remember that this is just a stock design, so you can mass produce these, and you can also even upsell your customers to a custom design. So you can go ahead and add a name and get even more out of this $1 blank. Well, actually 50 cents because this came with 2. So there you have it. All right, so as you can see, embroidery adds a ton of value to otherwise inexpensive blanks. So have you guys ever found any blanks either at the Dollar Tree or anywhere else that you have been able to sell for a lot more than you purchased it for? If you have, let me know what they are and how much you sold them for. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give the thumbs up. And of course, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I also want to remind you that I have linked our Facebook group below. So if you want to join and ask us any questions about embroidery, you are welcome to join and very much encouraged. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time. Bye.